how to add whole numbers to fractions quickly. So for example, we have 3 plus 1 over 3. No need to look for LCM, since what we have is 3 and 1/3. So we have 3 whole number 1 over 3. So all you need to do is to put it together. Let's see also we have 17 plus 2 fifths, 2 over 5. I have a 17 and I have a 2 out of 5. So what do I have all together? Since this is plus, I have 17 whole number, then 2 over 5. But what if the fraction part is an improper fraction? For example, we have 5 plus 3 out of 2. This is an improper fraction, that's part. So what then do we do? Change this to a proper fraction such that you have 5 plus, how many 2's do you have in 3? You have 1 whole of 2 and then 1 out of 2 left. So what do we have now? We have 5 whole number plus 1 whole number. That gives us 6, and of course the remaining fraction, which is 1 out of 2. So this can quickly help you without looking for LCM.